Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and right now you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what to do. This week we're talking about sex toys for mutual masturbation. But before I dive in, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our videos ever again, you're going to need to click that subscribe button. So, mutual masturbation. What is it? Why should we do it? And what's it good for? Well, mutual masturbation is where two people masturbate mutually. Now, this is a fantastic way to bring couples closer together. It also helps to show your partner what it is you like and how you like to be touched. And it helps you to learn how your partner likes to be touched as well. Now, of course, you can manually masturbate with your partner, but here at Lovehoney, we do like a sex toy or two. So I'm going to be showing you a couple of really great products that will help take your mutual masturbation session to the next level. First up, we have the Wild Weekend Couple Sex Toy Kit. Now in here, there are 11 sexy treats for couples. Now it doesn't matter whether you're a sex toy beginner or a sex toy aficionado, there is something for you in this kit. And there's something for everyone. And it doesn't matter what you have between your legs or how you identify, this kit will definitely help you to mutually masturbate to the best of your ability. The next toys I want to show you are from Lovehoney's Desire range. Now Desire is a range of luxury sex toys designed with your pleasure in mind. May I present to you the app-controlled prostate massager and the app-controlled love egg. Now these work via an app that you download onto your smartphone or tablet, and that turns that smartphone or tablet into the remote control. Now you can either keep control for yourself or pass the power to your partner. Pair these two together if you're in a hetero relationship, double up on these if you're not, or double up on these if you're not. The choice is yours. Now these are both made from super high quality silicone and they each have 8 pulsating patterns to choose from with 12 intensity levels. So you could say that they have a plethora of options to choose from. Just make sure you use the appropriate lubricant. So for this one, you're going to want some good quality water-based anal lube, and for the love egg, just some good quality water-based lubricants. So thanks to sex technology, you can enjoy a mutual masturbation session in different rooms of the house, different houses altogether, different counties and even different countries, which means your long distance lovemaking will get 2 thumbs up. So there you have it, sex toys to make mutual masturbation absolutely incredible. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you never want to miss another video, hit that subscribe button. If you've got any comments you want to add, please pop them in the box below. For notifications, click the bell. And if you just can't wait for another video, then don't worry because there's one coming up right now. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Annabelle Knight and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye!